Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay January 25, 2023, Miyerkules. Mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa the stock market today. Ang ating balita ay tungkol po sa Converge. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw kong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market o tungkol sa wealth management, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, January 25, 2023, dito lamang sa the stock market today. Okay po, ang ating headlines ay matatagpuan po natin sa video securities, no? Infrastructure spending rises in November. Government to borrow 200 billion pesos from the local debt market. So ito po yung mga T-bills, T-bonds, and ito po yung may maturities na medium to long term. Jokno says rise in rates will not affect fiscal consolidation. Converge hits 2 million fiber port deployment target for 2022. Ito po ang ating main news. Welcome to hit 100 stores ahead of 2025 goal. Maynilad expects to finish Poblacion treatment plant by year-end. So this should complement the current treatment plant in Putatan, Muntinlupa. No? And 79 centavo kilowatt-hour hike or rate hike seen with Malapaya shutdown. Ito po ay slated for the March billing cycle and the shutdown is sometime February. But our main news is from Business World. Converge hits fiber port target, steps up coverage, but I'll be reading the summary from VideoSec. Converge has deployed more than 2 million fiber ports in the country as of December 31, 2022 and remains on track to reach its accelerated target to cover approximately 55% of Philippine households this year, with its coverage at 53% as of September 30, 2022. The company has bolstered its port deployment in the NCR region, including Rizal, North and Central Luzon, as well as Mindanao. Converge also maintained its aggressive rollout in the Visayas as it continued to seek growth opportunities in the region. Converge co-founder and CEO Dennis Anthony Uy said Converge continues to expand its nationwide network reach to efficiently deliver consumer network demands and empower Filipinos across urban and rural areas. With this record deployment of ports, we are ensuring high availability in more areas around the country. So galing po ito sa PSE Edge at Business World. Sabi po ng commentary ni VideoSec, Converge actual port deployment in 2022 is ahead of our estimates of 1.9 million port additions, and they have a buy rating on Converge, which has a target price of 2050 or 7.9% na lang po yung kanyang upside. Pero abangan po natin yung 2022 FS po niya, no? Yung year-end 2022 at magkakaroon po ng adjustment dito po sa fundamental price ni Converge, and not only Converge but most of the companies na kanilang coverage, no? Sa coverage ng VideoSec. So let's check your comments. Sabi po dito, si Love. Salamat po sa review, very helpful. Salamat din po. Si Jer1, Sir Benji, are you more of a trader or investor? If you don't mind, please tell us more about your investment allocations. Thank you po. Actually, I'm more of an investor than a trader. Investment allocation, let's see. Sige, one of these days I will feature that. Actually, just to give you a preview, ano ito, mix siya eh. Meron akong conglomerates, meron akong, most of them are index stocks, no? Karamihan po sa hawak ko ay index stocks. So, meron po akong real estate, meron po akong conglomerates, meron po akong telecoms, meron po akong power, meron po akong halo-halo po. Halo-halo po siya. So, diversified po ako. And then, Rodgen, Sir Benji, you think walang insider trading dito sa CHP? Hataw akyat kahapon, tapos gap up today. Before may lumabas na news this morning, tender offer, grabe, most active agad sa delayed opening ng PSE. Alam nyo po, yung mga ganyan, nagkakaroon po ng, tingnan natin si CHP ha. Kasi, ngayon ay 10:13 pa lang ng umaga. O nga no, nagkaroon siya ng gap up dito. And dito pa lang, may mga rumors na dito, na mostly, yung mga rumors niyan, nagiging totoo, no? Tapos lumalabas ang news. Kasi may mga feel na yung mga traders dyan eh. So, meron silang grupo na doon lumalabas po yung news. And I don't think meron pong insider trading. At to say that there is insider trading, mahirap po yan, no? It's a grave accusation. Kailangan meron po kayong proof para masabi may insider trading. Bawal po yung insider trading. Bawal po yan sa PSE, sa SEC, at saka sa capital markets. Pinagbabawal po yan. At pinaparusahan po ang nag-insider trading. Kaya that is a grave accusation and you don't accuse without proof. Nag-allege lang po kayo dyan pagka ganun. Pero ang nangyayari po kasi dyan, nauna po yung rumors eh. Hindi naman po siguro kasalanan yung makinig ka sa rumor, di ba? At based on the rumor, ay nagre-react po yung market. And then, they find out na totoo yun, then tumataas po yung stock. So, yan po yung CHP. No? Tingnan natin yung things there. Tender offer report. Ito. So, maaring lumalabas na po yan by word of mouth. So, may tender offer po si CHP 2 hours ago. Okay. Up to 1.614 billion common shares, 130 per share. Magkano siya ngayon? 117. So, ina-approximate po niya yung tender offer. Kasi before the tender offer, nasa 60 centavos lang po yan. Okay. So, yan po. No? So, later, let's take a look at the PSE index. Pwede na natin silipin ngayon. Pero it's this early at 11:16. Nasa 7066.24. So, sideways movement lang po. The most active stock is CHP. 1 peso 18 centavos. Metro Pacific is next at 439. Then FCG, flat po siya, pero third most active stock. Followed by ICT, BDO, and Ali. So CHP is the most active stock as pointed out by Roger. So we will be back later as the market closes. Stay tuned. Alright, we're back. Ang PSE index ay umakyat ng 39.86 points or 0.57%. Dito po sa Investagram's chart ay sideways lang po ang movement niya since January 17. So kahapon po ay bumaba po ng 28.18 points. So ngayon ay binawi lang po ang kanyang baba. Pero paakyat pa rin po ang trend ng ating index. Market activity, walang po siya mababa. 100 ang umabante. 48 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index ay umakyat din ng 0.44%. Sa ating sectoral indices, lahat ng sectors ay umakyat liban lamang sa mining na bumaba ng 0.48%. Ang pagtaas ay pinangunahan ng puro lahat ito flat services 1.10%. Pero sa kabuuan, ang index ay bahagya lamang umakyat na sa 39.86%. Ang most active stock ay ICT na nag-gain o umakyat ng 2.17%, followed by JFC, Ali, TEL, BDO, and CHP. So tingnan po natin ngayon ang inyong ni-request, si AC, si SMPH, tingnan natin si ICT, JFC, si TEL, at si DMC. Okay, unahin po natin si Ayala Corporation. Si AC, yan, moving sideways lang po si AC, nasa 749, gaining 4 pesos or 0.54%. Pero paakyat pa rin po ang trend ng kanyang presyo. So, kung magdodraw po tayo ng parallel channel, ganyan po ang kanyang channel. And this is from October 17 to January 25. Yan po ang kanyang parallel channel. Ang kanyang pinaka-support nasa 719.80, samantalang ang pinaka-resistance niya nasa 779 or almost 780 na po ang pinaka-resistance ni Ayala Corporation. Now, fundamentally, tignan natin si Ayala Corporation, ang kanyang presyo. Ayala Corporation, may buy rating po siya sa presyong 1,050 or a 41% upside. Si SMPH naman, ito yung kanyang real estate and mall business. Okay, paakyat din si SMPH, SM Prime Holdings, at bullish po ang dating sa akin ng kanyang chart. Again, if we will be drawing a parallel channel, yan po yung kanyang, more or less ang kanyang parallel channel with a slight overshoot. So, yung kanyang pinaka-support nasa EMA 100 po, or almost 35.81. Ang kanyang resistance nasa 39.19. And the parallel channel is from October 5, 2022 up to January 25, 2023. At simula po dito sa area to ay piercing through lang po the candlestick, pero umakyat po si SMPH from this date, January 4, umpisa po ng Enero, hanggang ngayon po ay patuloy na umaakyat, although ngayon ay 30 centavos lang ang nag-gain. So from this point here, at dito po ay ang closing price po niya is nasa 30 pesos. Ngayon po ay nasa 37.80. So nag-gain po siya of some, computin natin, about 7 pesos 83 centavos or a 26% gain if you bought in at an oversold level on September 30. So paakyat po ang kanyang presyo. And then tingnan naman natin si ICT. ICT ay patuloy na nagre-recover. Ayan. Bullish po si ICT. Paakyat po siya. At kung makikita niyo po yung black line, ito yung long-term indicator natin. Paakyat po. Again, another, let's draw a parallel channel also here. Yan po siya. Lagyan natin ng yan. Paakyat konti. Yan, ang kanyang parallel channel. At pwede nating ilagay sa EMA 50 ang pinaka-support level niya na malapit sa base ng parallel channel, nasa 200 or 199.89 or 200, no? Pero yung parallel channel nasa 203.35. So it's between 200 and 204 ang kanyang support. Ang resistance level nasa 226.90. Support and resistance, di po yan exact points, areas po siya. Or area po siya. So here, nagkaroon po siya ng oversold level noong September 30. And again, if we will compute from this oversold level up to this moment, na on this day na hinold nyo po, example lang po, no? Nasa 216 na po yung presyo niya, you could have gained about a 39% upside or a 60 pesos per share increase. And then, JFC naman. JFC ay, yan, paakyat, slowly. Paakyat po si JFC. Makikita nyo po yung black line here, started to move up, ano, from September up to this point here ay umaakyat pa rin po. Yan po yung steady rise ni JFC. Check natin ang kanyang fundamentals. Jollibee Foods, may buy rating po siya with a target price of 290 or an 18% upside. So right now, tingnan natin. Parallel channel ulit tayo. So, fina-follow lang po niya yung black line, yung long-term indicator natin. Yan po ang parallel channel po ni JFC. And this is from September 15 up to January 27. So, if we will follow the parallel channel, ang support po ni JFC nasa 232 or 233 and resistance sa 265. Nasa 244 na po si JFC. Tapos naman si DMC. DMC ay paakyat si DMC and it has been steadily moving up, ha. Steady yung rise ni DMC, no? Pero ang steep rise po niya nangyari po dito. Yan po. From this point here to this point here, draw tayo ng isang, yan po yung parallel channel niya. Pero yung steady rise po started here way back. Dito po. Sa area to, actually here. Noong August 2020, paakyat po si DMC. And it has been steadily rising, ha. Steady rise po si DMC. So, mag-draw nga tayo ng parallel channel from here to here. Malayo na, pero ganun po yung kwento niya, eh. Yan po yung kwento ni DMC. Yan po yung parallel channel niya from August 2020 up to December 2022. Yan po yung parallel channel niya. At patuloy pong umaakyat si DMC. The reason kung bakit siya steep yung climb dito is because of the news na mapapasama po siya sa PSE index. So, yan po si DMC. And finally, let's take a look at TEL. Alam nyo, noong December, si TEL ay bumagsak dahil po sa capex overrun. Pero sa akin po, I treat it as an opportunity to buy. So here, yung red engulfing candlestick is a very good sign that you should buy the stock. So if you were able to buy here, congratulations po. So right now, TEL is at 1547, but at this point here on December 19, it closed at 1992. So just imagine the gain that you could have had. That's about a 30% upside or 348 pesos yung nag-gain po ninyo per share dito. So in the meantime, ang pinaka-support po ni TEL ay nandito sa 1410. The nearest support, the nearest resistance is here, 1727. Marami po akong TEL. Yun pong tip. Kung gusto niyo po ng long-term investment at cash dividends, regular stream of cash dividends, maganda for capital appreciation, TEL po at isa sa pinakamagandang stock na pwede nyong bilhin for long term. So dito po, kung nakita nyo po oversold po yung stock, dapat na-take advantage po natin to. And actually, I took advantage of it. So nakabili po ako dito somewhere at this point here. 1,200 ko yata nabili yung opportunity na yon, ay nakabili po ako at a good price. Okay, so yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-25 ng Enero. Ito po si Benji Chitoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Get well soon to my cousin Mari nga pala. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli, stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.